Well, the Supreme Court, in a big development, has passed an interim order on the newly brought in Waqf Amendment Act. In its interim order, there are several key takeaways. First of all, the Supreme Court has now stayed the provision of the newly brought in Act, whereby it was mandated that for a Muslim person to donate a waqf or to create a waqf, he has to be practicing Islam for at least 5 years. Now, this stay on this provision was put by Supreme Court for the time till the time the center brings in a mechanism to adjudicate whether and ascertain and test whether the person is a genuine practicing Muslim before he is allowed to donate. So this is a kind of an interim stay till the time, not till the time the case's legality is decided, but till the time the center brings in a mechanism. Second important development is that with regards to the denotification of a property, the Supreme Court today has stayed the powers granted to the collectors when it comes to denotifying the waqf property that might be disputed as a government's property. The top court was of the view that only a tribunal and then later, at the later stage, High Court can decide and adjudicate whether a property is a waqf property or a government property. So this is one of a major relief to the petitioners. Now, thirdly, the Supreme Court has said that the members of the Waqf Council and Waqf Board should, the non-Muslim members should be restricted to 3 and 4 respectively. And it has also said that an effort must be made that the CEO of the council should, which is also the ex officio members, they should be Muslims, and it should be ensured that non-Muslims do not become majority in when it comes to the Waqf Board and Waqf Council. So this is also one of the relief to the petitioner. But what is important today is that the Supreme Court has refused to stay the clause where the waqf by user concept has been abolished now by the central government in its newly amended law. The Supreme Court has taken a prima facie view in favor of the center and has observed that many times we have seen that waqf is misused by people to escape law and bypass creditors, and that's why it is necessary that a proper check must be there when it comes to who is donating to waqf, and that is why it has taken a prima facie view agreeing with the center, and it has also in fact agreed on the fact that there should be a bar on a number of years before a person becomes eligible to donate to waqf. As a Muslim, he should be practicing Islam for 5 years. The Supreme Court has now said that it prima facie agrees with it and does not think it is arbitrary, but it has stayed this provision till the time the center brings in a mechanism to execute this on ground. So these are some major developments today in the top court. While some say that it is a relief to the petitioner, but in a bigger picture, if we see the observations made by the Supreme Court with regards to the validity of the law, it is in fact a big boost to the center's case.